Hi, welcome back to our video tutorial. Do you want to add a physical location to help your customers find you easily and increase brand's visibility, SEO ranking, and customer experience? In this video, we will guide you how to add Google Maps to Shopify pages using PageFly. Let's dive in by accessing Google Map element. First of all, open your editor page and select Add Elements. Scroll down to the Advanced sections and choose Google Map. PageFly provides two types of Google Map elements, which are the Basic and Advanced Map. The above option is the Basic Map. The below one is the Advanced Map. Drag and drop your preferred element into the page editor. To customize the Gmap element, let's select the section. Navigate to the General tab and insert your store address. Double-check with the Actually Display map to ensure it's the correct address. Next, let's adjust the zoom in and zoom out with this map zoom feature. Pay attention to the details and make sure your map is clear enough for customers to use. One interesting feature is the ability to customize your map type as either a road map or satellite view. This works well for both basic and advanced maps. Moving on to the advanced Google Map element. To use this feature, you must get an API key from the Google Cloud Platform console first. After getting the API key, navigate to the General tab and enter the key here. Enter your address. Feel free to adjust its heights and zoom out. However, make sure it's well organized with other page sections and easy for customers to use. With this advanced feature, you can select whether it's controllable or draggable for customers here. Moving on, as you can see, there are 5 map styles available for you to choose from. And if there's any additional information you'd like to display, you can easily enter it here in the Window Info feature. For example, our newly opened store. Remember, when adding the Google Map element to your website, follow these crucial tips. Ensure the address is 100% accurate, make it easy to navigate, and keep it visually appealing. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.